How are gazetteers used in NLP for entity recognition? Imagine trying to find all the famous landmarks in a city just by reading a long list of names. That's similar to what gazetteers do in natural language processing. Gazetteers are lists or databases of known named entities like people, places, or organizations. They act as reference guides for computers when they try to understand text. In named entity recognition, which is a task in natural language processing, the goal is to find and classify important pieces of information in unstructured text. Gazetteers help by providing a ready-made list of entities that the system can match against. This makes it easier for the computer to recognize names it might not have seen before. Early systems used gazetteers in simple ways. They would scan the text and check if any words matched entries in the list. If they did, the system would label that word as a person, location, or organization. This approach works well for well-known names but can struggle with new or misspelled entities. Modern systems, especially those based on deep learning, use gazetteers differently. Instead of just matching words, they include information from gazetteers as extra features. For example, if a word appears in a gazetteer, the system notes that and uses it to help decide what kind of entity it is. This helps the model learn better patterns and recognize entities more accurately. Creating gazetteers can involve pulling data from large sources like Wikidata, which contains millions of structured facts about people, places, and things. These lists can cover many languages and types of entities, making the system more versatile. But keeping gazetteers up to date is important because new entities are always emerging. Using gazetteers improves tasks like extracting information from text, answering questions, or organizing content. For instance, in AI tools or productivity plugins, recognizing specific names or places accurately helps the system understand user requests better. However, there are ethical considerations. If gazetteers are incomplete or biased toward certain cultures or regions, the system might miss or misidentify entities from underrepresented groups. So, maintaining balanced and inclusive gazetteers is essential for fair AI. In summary, gazetteers serve as external knowledge sources that support entity recognition in natural language processing. They bridge traditional rule-based methods and modern deep learning models, making AI systems better at understanding and classifying names and places in text.